Okay, today is packing hacks. I don't know where my microphone is right now, so I'm just going to shout a little bit. I thought it was supposed to be a terrible day out. It looks like it's going to be nice, so this packing may actually be delayed, but the intent today was to start packing. Now, packing hack number 1. Boxes can get expensive. If you know a real estate agent, hint, hint, you know a real estate agent, contact them and see if they know of anybody moving. Hopefully they do. It bodes well for you and them if they do. So real estate agents, we can coordinate with people picking up boxes. People are moving. People don't want to throw out boxes. Boxes can be reused a number of times. I am a lucky girl. I always say that. I'm very blessed and lucky in my life, and I happen to be blessed with some amazing clients. And so one of my clients is giving me all of her extra boxes, and I am in turn passing some on to a client of mine. So boxes are easy to get, and your agent or agents will help you get them. So just reach out to real estate agents. We will help you. So that's packing hack number 1. Packing hack number 2, start packing when you're getting your house ready for the market. One of the things I tell all my clients is you are moving, so start packing. When you're taking stuff off the walls, if it's going with you, pack it. Just put it away, stick it in the basement, stick it in a garage, stick it in storage, whatever you have to do. But it makes it a lot easier when it comes time to actually start moving. So the third hack, and this is one I've used before, and this is one that I really, really like. I'm hiring movers to do this because let's face it, I'm too old for this nonsense. But I am packing my own boxes. And I've got 2 kids, I've got a house full of different rooms full of stuff. And so what I do is I buy colored duct tape, and while I do write on the box what room it goes into, I also color code it so that it's easier for people to see. Yellow goes in the yellow room, and then on moving day, we just label each room. I have found it's just easier. It saves a little time, saves a little confusion. That's my hack. So each of the kids gets a color, and I'll get a color, and then the places I'm going don't have as many rooms as this house, so I probably won't need too many colors. But those are my hacks for today. I'm sure you're gonna learn more as I go through this process once again in my life. If you've got questions about the value of your home, the market, especially in southern Maine, southern New Hampshire, please send me a message. If you're watching this on Facebook Live, if you are watching this on YouTube, all of my information is below. And you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I hope this beautiful weather continues for us.